Gaeilge agus fáilte hiag an rang Gaeilge, seo Gaeilge sa Seomra Ranga. Hello and welcome to your Irish classroom and our first topic, Gaeilge sa Seomra Ranga, Irish in the classroom. In Irish we say isteach, hello, Gaeilge, hello to more than one person, Seomra, responding hello to one person, and Seomra, if you're saying hello to more than one person in reply. So if you're having a conversation, you would say Gaeilge to somebody and they would respond with Seomra. Maidin why? Good morning. Maidin why? Maidin why? Suas. Suas. Stand up. Suas. Shees. Shees. Sit down. Shees. Oscail and doras. Open the door. Oscail and doras. Druid and doras. Druid and doras. Druid and doras. Close the door. Tar ista. Tar ista. Come in. Or Goitse. Goitse. Come here. Go amach. Go amach. Go out. Oscail and isteach. Oscail and isteach. Oscail and isteach. Open the window. Las and solas. Múch and solas. Las and solas. Múch and solas. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Las and solas. Múch and solas. Oscail dá leabhar agus scríobh seo síos. Oscail dá leabhar agus scríobh seo síos. Open your book and write this down. Oscail dá leabhar agus scríobh seo síos. Go leithscéal. Go leithscéal. Go leithscéal. Excuse me. Tá brón orm. Tá brón orm. I'm sorry. Deifir. 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 Hurry up. Deifir. Abair and phaidir. Abair a phaidir. Abair and phaidir. Glan da bhróga. Glan da bhróga. Glan da bhróga. Clean your shoes. Éist. Éistigi. Listen and listen to more than one person. Bígí ciúin inis. Be quiet now. Guramoyagat. Thank you. Guramoyagat. Tóg and mála. Lift the bag. Slán agus beannacht. Goodbye and God bless. Slán agus beannacht. Leithscéal, please. Leithscéal.